Here we are, back in my studio with Marina Derevyankina, who lended me her lovely pale face. Let's get this party started. Today I will show you how to play with colors. I find it so funny, people who have curly hair wanna have straight hair. Girls who have pale skin wanna have tan skin. Just embrace who you are. Love the way you look and you'll be way more happy. Going all around the eye with a lot of black, which copied on the upper part of the eyelid. Marina has deep set eyes, so this is quite normal actually. What happened? Blending it down. It's not that easy to blend it when you apply powder before. I usually apply powder as a base, and then I go over with the pencil because this sticks on like crazy. But you see me blending it for quite a long time. When you blend it nicely, just leave the upper edge as it is and start blending the lower part as well. I wanted to leave these eyes, and now going over with a clean brush, just pow pow left and right like windshield wipers. Now this will be a base. Marina has deep set eyes, and this actually is not the best technique for her because it makes the eyes appear even more pulled in the back. But I'll explain you why this is an awesome trick. Just doing some gradient there to blend everything together nicely. It looks quite messy now, but you'll see that it will turn out really well. Also on the lower part, just the outer third, because we want to lift the eyes, and now pulling everything inwards so that I make a lovely gradient. Classic technique, lifting the eyes again under the brow because she doesn't have that much space there. And if you want to see this in-depth makeup tutorial, pop on our website, have fun, check it out. I applied this green with my finger because this is how it really sticks on. This is how you can apply a lot of it. And going over the lower part with the same green, but this time with a brush because it's easier to control it. Black, black, black once again. Even though she has deep set eyes, her, how do you call that, iris is bright. Therefore, this is how you play with colors, light and dark. If you put dark around something light, it will pop even more. This is what we wanted to do. Also, orange is sort of a complementary color to her greenish eyes, and now you see me falling into what I'm doing, totally getting too close to the model. Just applying a bit of foundation over, and I decided to do a night out look, putting in a bunch of fake eyelashes. I find this looks quite natural, so I really like it. Combing the brows, and I needed to be quite careful because this, considering how pale her face is, can turn creepy if the eyebrows would be too heavy. Contouring, classic technique. You see me doing this so many times, and now pulling the contour, the cheek contour between her nose and her mouth, just under where her natural shadow would fall, because it's a night out makeup. This will turn her face very seductive. Sexy, sexy time. Blend it well. You really need to blend it well because we're not going with anything over. Here, blush slightly lower on the round cheeks to intensify everything, make it very, very night out. My favorite pencil of them all. You see me using this so many times, and when you're playing with such pale skin, you really need to draw a nice line because otherwise everything turns weird. My favorite combination, I think I did about 10 makeup tutorials with same lips, and because Marina is a makeup artist, hopefully she will pop in the studio to do her own makeup one day. I let her play with the lipstick. I just love this look. I mean, I could paint her face so in many different ways. Hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Go check it on our website with illustrations. Have fun and I'll see you soon. Ciao, chica bellas.